In the meantime, while waiting for some panels and whatnot, I decided to disassemble both doors. I made a video about how to disassemble them. You should check it out if you can. But anyways, welcome back to part 4 of the Prelude rebuild. I'm probably going to be laying fiberglass or dealing with this, or even the window motor over there. There's a lot to do. After a lot of fucking around and finding out, watch this. It works. Yay. It's not the window on this side is fixed. We're going to try and fix it on the other side. This one I can hear the motor click, but it doesn't roll down, and I think I misaligned the window track when I had to take it out. So we're going to try and mess with it, see what we can do. But nothing I do will roll this bitch down. Okay, well, I tried a few things from the underside of the door. Tried wiggling around the window track. I tried spraying the shit out of it, and it's not really doing anything. So I guess the next thing to do is take apart these two doors, take the window motors out, and swap them. My alternative theory is that something on the window track, either on this side or on the other side, is stuck. Like maybe there's a rock or something that's preventing it from rolling down at all. Because I can move it like maybe 1/8 of an inch, and then it just freezes and I can't move it anymore. And that's why I'm moving it by hand. So yeah, I must apologize. I did end up taking out everything from those doors, dismantling all of them. However, I ended up making that into its own video, and I don't really have any good way to transition. So okay, our current plan is to pour boiling water on the quarter panel and try and pull it out with a couple things. Also started sanding it a little bit. I'll probably have it more sanded by the time the water's starting to boil. So yeah, we're also going to try and fix this left-hand turn signal because we wired it wrong. Cleaning out my trunk. I'm absolutely coated, but we're getting... There's a lot of stuff back here. There's all the scrap metal in there. And then... yeah, this is junk though. On my old intake manifold from the Accord. Stuff's old. It's all this scrap. It's got a box to put. Yeah, that's about right. And we're back. I ended up making 15 bucks off of 200 pounds of scrap metal. Here's everything I got done sanding it. Problem is, because of how the dent is, it's just very awkward to get it down. So a lot of this is gonna have to be hand sanded. And then all this shit I pulled out of the trunk that I'm keeping. Trend panels. This is just bits and pieces of garbage and stuff. That's a new header I never installed. Stock steering wheel, emblems that fell off, headlights, car cover. If we go over here, it actually looks pretty good. I was thinking is when you're looking at this from the street, it actually looks okay. And then you go over here and it's like, what the fuck happened? Okay, I think I'm gonna take off the tinted part where the brake lights would be, but leave it on the bottom. And also, in the end, it's gonna look something like this. And just, car cover over here, back to sanding, and then we can mess with the tail lights after here. Miscellaneous shit in the tub, and then yeah, still leaves a little bit of room. What's interesting is a lot of this is actually bondoed already, so that's gonna make it interesting whenever I pull this out. Started to get dark out, so that's gonna be all for today, I think. But I am gonna try and blow off some of this sheet metal just so I know where I need to keep sanding and what I've already done. Yeah, this is what we got done today. That's not bad.
Wondering if you could play that song again.
Which one?